Should flooring be the same throughout the house? Hello friends, when buying a home or redecorating, flooring is an important consideration. If the floors complement the function and aesthetics of the space, they create harmony throughout. However, if the floors are a mosaic of colors, textures, and materials, they can grate like nails on a chalkboard. The big question is, should the flooring be the same throughout the house? The quick answer is yes. Using the same flooring throughout ties rooms together improves flow, makes the home seem larger, simplifies cleaning and maintenance, and is often easier on the budget. If you feel you must use different flooring, limit it to 2 or 3 types. In this video, we'll discuss the pros and cons of having the same flooring throughout a home, whether flooring should differ between floor levels, and if it's okay to use different flooring in different rooms. Our goal is to provide you with information to help make your flooring decision easier. Is it better to have the same flooring throughout the house? The first question you need to answer is if your house needs new flooring at all. If the only problem with the floors is that they're old or dirty, then replacing them might be a waste of money and resources. Assuming you do want new flooring in some rooms, how should it match? Pros and cons exist to this. Pros of same house flooring. The benefits of having the same flooring throughout your home are many. Prominently, it confers an appearance of wide space and airiness. It further gives an aesthetic unity. This continuous space is visually pleasing and seemingly seamless. It also makes cleaning easier because not only are there fewer types of surfaces to clean, but there is also no need to change from a vacuum cleaner to a mop as you clean. There is also the perk that minimizes the chances of tripping and falling over the transition between tile, wood, or carpets. When you use the same flooring throughout your home, it also avoids having a mismatched space that has an ill-fitting appearance. If you have hardwood in one room and laminate in another, the 2 flooring types are unique enough to look odd next to each other. Having the same type of flooring in all your rooms will make your house feel more comfortable and cohesive. It is important to note, however, that the angle or direction of the lines or seams of the flooring is key to achieving these effects. Additionally, color choice and tone play an important role in the feel of it all too. Cons of same house flooring. A major issue of using the same flooring throughout the house is that it lacks the diversity and uniqueness that different flooring gives. Different flooring may be seen as an advantage by people who would like to have something that other homes don't have. This diversity will not only be felt aesthetically but would also help determine what kind of furniture would fit each room's specific type of floor. Using the same flooring throughout the house also comes with the assumption that all the rooms have the same function and the occupants share the same interest in floor type. The reality, however, is that such a limited option might prove restrictive to use, and other members of the household might want a different flooring type for their own space. Replacing broken flooring material could be challenging, potentially making it more expensive to fix. When flooring is different across rooms, it is easier to repair, patch, or replace, whilst not burning a hole in the pocket trying to retain uniform flooring throughout. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.